For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has been at the center of dark mysteries, fueling legends about missing ships, planes that never returned, and theories ranging from interdimensional portals to alien abductions. But have we finally unraveled the enigma? Science, with its tireless quest for answer, ought to light new discoveries that may put an end to the speculations and fantasies surrounding this feared area of the Atlantic. What really happens in the turbulent waters of the Triangle? Are we facing perfectly explainable natural phenomena, or is there something more that still eludes us? What scientists have discovered might challenge what many believe to be an eternal mystery. If you're as curious as we are to uncover the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any scientific revelations. Popular stories and theories. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the greatest modern enigmas, filled with mysterious stories that stir the human imagination. One of the oldest accounts of the region comes from Christopher Columbus himself. During his first voyage to the New World in 1492, Columbus wrote in his journal that he and his crew saw a flame of fire falling into the sea. Additionally, they noticed a strange light on the horizon that followed them for several weeks. This intriguing phenomenon was described as one of the first inexplicable occurrences in the area, sparking curiosity about possible natural phenomena or magnetic anomalies that could be involved. Another famous case is the Mary Celeste, found adrift in the Atlantic in December 1872. The ship was in perfect condition, with its cargo intact but with no sign of its crew. This mystery has given rise to various theories over the years, including the possibility of a pirate attack or even alien abduction, but no convincing explanation has been confirmed. The disappearance of the crew of the Ellen Austin in 1881 is equally enigmatic. The crew of the Ellen Austin had found an abandoned ship, but when attempting to tow it, the ship mysteriously disappeared with everyone on board, adding yet another layer of mystery to the already feared waters. Among the most impactful disappearances is that of the USS Cyclops, a colossal American Navy ship that disappeared in March 1918 with 309 crew members. Without sending a single distress signal, the ship simply vanished in the Bermuda Triangle, leaving no trace, which raised questions about magnetic anomalies and even abduction theories. These inexplicable events helped fuel legends about the Bermuda Triangle, leading people to question the reality behind these occurrences and seek explanations, often supernatural ones. Explanatory theories. The explanations for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries range from scientific theories to near-fantastic speculations. One of the most popular is the idea that the region could be a wormhole, that is, a portal for time travel or to parallel dimensions. This theory, while fascinating, lacks any concrete evidence. Nevertheless, it is often cited by enthusiasts who seek an explanation beyond the limits of traditional science for the inexplicable disappearances of ships and planes. Another widely circulated theory involves aliens. According to this hypothesis, the Bermuda Triangle would be a meeting point or base for extraterrestrials who abduct ships and aircraft for study. The lack of debris or distress signals in many disappearances fuels this belief, especially among those skeptical of more traditional explanations. Although it is difficult to prove the existence of aliens, the Bermuda Triangle remains fertile ground for speculations of non-terrestrial origin. However, many scientists and scholars prefer more rational explanations. One such explanation is that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is not higher than in any other area with heavy maritime and air traffic. Human error, adverse weather conditions, and treacherous ocean currents are seen as factors that would explain most incidents. Moreover, the region is heavily navigated, which would naturally increase the incidence of accidents. In this sense, the disappearances could largely be the result of natural factors and human failures, rather than inexplicable forces. Recent discoveries. In recent decades, science has advanced in attempts to explain the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. A relevant discovery came from NASA, which identified an area in Earth's magnetic field called the South Atlantic Anomaly. This region, located between South America and the southern Atlantic Ocean, presents a weak spot in the magnetic field, causing electromagnetic interference in satellites and electronic equipment. The hypothesis is that this anomaly could affect the compasses and navigation systems of ships and planes, contributing to the disappearance of some vessels over time. Another recent theory that has gained attention involves methane gas. Researchers from the University of the Arctic in Norway suggest that huge amounts of methane gas stored at the ocean floor could occasionally be released in eruptions. When this gas rises to the surface, it decreases the water's density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink quickly. Additionally, methane is flammable, raising the possibility that under certain conditions it could cause explosions in planes flying over the area. These discoveries indicate that natural phenomena play a more significant role in the Bermuda Triangle than many might have imagined. Still, even with these scientific explanations, the mystery persists for many people who prefer to believe in more enigmatic and supernatural theories. Science continues to investigate, but the aura of mystery surrounding this area remains strong, fueling legends that have survived for centuries. Did you enjoy learning about these incredible stories and theories? Then leave a like to support our content and share your theories in the comments. We want to know what you think. Did you know? Although the Bermuda Triangle is famous for its mysterious stories, it has no officially recognized boundaries. The area, which stretches between Miami, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, was popularized after a series of intriguing disappearances, but scientists point out that many of these occurrences are coincidences, and there is no solid evidence that the triangle has an abnormally high rate of disappearances. Interestingly, most nautical maps don't even recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a danger zone, which contrasts with its popular fame. Another interesting fact is that the term Bermuda Triangle was coined only in 1964 by writer Vincent Gaddis in a magazine article. From that moment on, the myth really gained momentum, attracting media attention, paranormal investigators, and even Hollywood, which helped propagate the idea that this piece of the Atlantic was a kind of black hole of the Earth. Many of the legends we know today were fueled by this narrative, but not all of them withstand scientific investigation. Furthermore, contrary to what many believe, the Bermuda Triangle is not exclusively related to the disappearance of ships and planes. There are countless reports of strange phenomena, such as unexplained lights in the sky, disturbances in navigation instruments, and even supposed interactions with beings from other worlds. These elements are part of the vast folklore surrounding the region, blending scientific explanations with the supernatural. There are many examples of disappearances and unexplained phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle that have captured the world's attention. One of the most notable cases was Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that disappeared in 1945 during a training flight. Even with normal weather conditions and experienced pilots, the planes lost contact with the base, and none of the aircraft were found. The mystery deepened when a rescue plane sent to search for Flight 19 also disappeared, further fueling theories about magnetic anomalies and time distortions. Another intriguing example involves the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, which disappeared in 1963 while transporting liquid sulfur. No trace of the ship or its crew was found, and investigators were puzzled by the ship's disappearance since the weather was stable and the vessel hadn't reported any problems. The Marine Sulphur Queen case is often cited as evidence of inexplicable phenomena, as, like many other cases, there were no debris or distress signals. In another example, the Japanese freighter Raifukumaru sent a distress message in 1924, saying, "Danger like a dagger. Come quick." However, when rescuers arrived, they found nothing but the vast ocean. These examples add to a long list of incidents that, even with technological advances and investigations, still defy complete explanations. The fascination with the Bermuda Triangle can affect people in unexpected ways. For many, especially sailors and pilots, the region is viewed with a mixture of respect and fear. The idea that a place in the ocean can defy the laws of physics and nature creates a considerable psychological impact, leading some to avoid the area altogether. This fear can even be compared to the fear of flying, fueled by legends and stories passed down from generation to generation, reinforcing the idea of an invisible danger. Moreover, the Bermuda Triangle mystery also influences popular culture. Films, books, and documentaries on the subject continue to capture people's imaginations, keeping the enigma alive in the collective mind. This even affects tourism in the region, with many curious people wanting to sail or fly through the area, hoping to witness something supernatural or be part of a mythical adventure. This desire to connect with the unknown reveals the power that the triangle holds over people's imaginations, blending fear and curiosity in a unique way. Finally, for those studying the phenomenon or involved in scientific investigations, the Bermuda Triangle offers a complex puzzle. Investigations involving magnetic fields, ocean currents, and weather conditions continue to challenge modern science. For many scientists, this search for answers is a constant motivation, keeping them intrigued by the unknown and willing to continue exploring the depths of this mystery. Scientists and scholars have diverse opinions about the Bermuda Triangle. According to meteorology experts, many disappearances can be explained by severe and unexpected weather conditions, such as tropical storms and hurricanes. The region's waters are known for being highly turbulent, and ocean currents can quickly swallow any vessel or aircraft that strays off course. Additionally, anomalous magnetic fields can interfere with navigation instruments, a scientific explanation for the disorientation often reported. Other professionals, like oceanographers, believe the region's geology may be an important factor. Methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor can create pockets of less dense water, causing ships to sink without leaving a trace. This theory, while still under study, has gained traction as more discoveries about the ocean floor are made. Researchers also note that these eruptions can be quick and devastating, explaining the lack of debris found in many cases. On the other hand, folklore and psychology scholars believe the Bermuda Triangle is an example of how urban legends can grow out of coincidences and collective fear. They argue that while some disappearances are intriguing, most cases can be logically explained. The myth, for these experts, is a way for humanity to deal with the unknown. And the Bermuda Triangle, with its seemingly unsolvable mysteries, is the perfect ground for this type of narrative. Among the biggest challenges surrounding the Bermuda Triangle mystery is the lack of conclusive evidence. With so many stories of disappearances and anomalies, the absence of debris, bodies, or tangible evidence makes it difficult to reach a final solution. This generates frustration for both scientists and the curious, as many of the explanations still remain theories. Magnetic anomalies and methane gas eruptions are convincing ideas, but the scientific community continues to seek more data to close the case once and for all. Additionally, a constant challenge is separating fact from legend. With so many reports of supernatural phenomena, alien abductions, and interdimensional portals, the line between what is real and what is fiction becomes increasingly blurred. The public, in many cases, prefers to believe in the more fantastic explanations, while scientists struggle to provide a more realistic perspective. This dichotomy between science and legend makes the Bermuda Triangle an enduring enigma that is difficult to resolve. Finally, there is the issue of the unpredictable weather conditions in the region. The climate in the Bermuda Triangle can change rapidly, catching sailors and pilots by surprise. Even with modern technology, monitoring and predicting these changes can be a challenge, contributing to the number of accidents in the area. For many experts, the biggest mystery is not the existence of inexplicable phenomena, but how to predict and prevent new incidents from occurring. Now that science has provided answers to the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, it is up to you to reflect. Can everything we've heard over the years be explained by natural phenomena and scientific anomalies? If magnetic fields and methane gas eruptions are indeed the culprits, why do these stories continue to stir our imagination so much? What matters is that, despite so many legends, knowledge gives us the chance to face these mysteries with a new perspective. And are you ready to leave the unknown behind and accept the scientific explanations? Or do you still prefer to believe that there is something deeper and hidden in these turbulent waters? Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep exploring these and other fascinating enigmas.